it is not an apartment but a bungalow, which only means that there's going to be much more of space and a lot more of creative and beautiful visuals coming your way. The interior of this place is an amalgamation of long-lasting textures and new trends like ruffles on curtains and cushions and a lot more of stuff. So without much of a further delay, let's just quickly get it started. Come on in, guys.
Here is the entrance to this beautiful bungalow, starting from level 1, leaving level ground for the office. Floorings done in mirror polish Irish brown marble is the first reflection of the royalty this house has to offer from the inside. Entrance has browns and golds reflecting the warm tones, followed with this gorgeous chandelier keeping up with the theme. White steps that add to the grand look of the living space with a section of dining. Living area is the heart of the house where the family unites. It's young and warm. White sofa sittings making it the most comfortable space to be in, along with these embellished cushions. It's a double-heighted ceiling with a set of 3 chandeliers. One word: class. The other-sided double-heighted wall of the living area has this huge statement clock. Moving on to the second half, this is a plush dining table in rich upholstered chairs and suede, adding a complement of rose to the neutral beige walls. Checkered ceiling is the highlight. The table has a matte finish electroplated base with sleek work of MOP on top. The duo of Nikita and Abhijeet not only do the interiors but the home styling with their personal touch, making it from house to home. This place is designed well to be a comfortable setup with TV console and marble finished wash basin. Next is the Italian kitchen with inbuilt appliances. They've put up so many quirky elements that highlight the areas and make the place look a little more interesting. Moving on to the drawing space, this setup has contemporary Victorian style sofas highlighting the room with monotones of beige and brown. This chandelier cum fan is out and out fancy and looks beautiful. Keeping up with the theme of the space, they've coordinated elements of leaves and metal, wall hangings and artifacts. Next up is the first room of this level. All the rooms have Italian wall textures with wooden reflections for the look. Light palette cushioning design for the beds along with pop-colored sofa balances the room. Then there is the dressing area with space well utilized and storage taken care of. Now to the next room on this floor. It is set up with a theme of Victorian style. The floor-length curtains add drama to the look. With the space well utilized, there's an extra comfortable sitting for the room walk-ins. Abhijeet and Nikita are known to create homes that are utter luxury. This one has an automatic lift. Here comes level 2. Right before the lift is this lounge area that is decently done and has a sit-out that is made super cool. The look from here is open and wide. Double ceiling adds to the lavishness of the house. Next up is another room here. It has bronze finished textures on the wall, velvet bed cushioning and white lacquered tables on the side. They've put in armchairs as accent pieces along with the brass finished metal side table that lightens up the space with its hollowed out volumes. The quilts for each room are custom designed for this house. Next up is the most vibrant room. It has heavy headboard in plush and royal color. It has a theatrical wall paneling that eliminates the need for any additional elements and focal points. Chester cushion bed back is one of my favorite elements in the whole house. Dressing area of this room is designed with a well thought of storage and elegant look with these wooden laminated blocks. With every space done differently, this washroom has a rug tile finish to the floorings and wall as well. Last room of this home is in these subtle greys and has one statement color in bed. This cushioned base adds volume to the room. The taper in the side tables creates a contrasting silhouette. This floor has a spacious balcony with greenery set up for the freshness in the house. Going another level up, this one has a jacuzzi room, washroom and a shower panel. Marble finish of this place makes this setup look royal.
That was about this house tour. I hope you guys liked it. Do check out more of Nightingale Creative Design Studio's work in the links in the description box below.